shaking. Look to the sky, notice the depth of blue, and suddenly feel I'm all alone. Hiding everything I hold true in a pocket and close it tightly. Tall summer grass sways in the breeze as I move along the tracks that led me this far. In my heart there's still a void that I don't know how to fill. In the distance the mirage starts to blur and falter as you go on, chasing tomorrow's dreams. I listen to your plans and never seem realized. While gazing up, I'm not encouragement. I wonder how we lasted this long. All the sadness in this world can find a way to pierce through the surface. Circles around, constantly passing us by. Seems all you have to do is wait there. And with each day feeling this way, getting fragile, I break. And though I try, I just can't fight the tears from falling. And here on out, wherever I may go, each night that comes, I'll get through one at a time. And with this song of love, I start to sing aloud and learn to fill my heart with melody. In my mother's shoes, I could never run very quickly. Now I won't cry on the days I wind up barefoot. Throughout the map, it was no use anyways. I wasn't sure which way to hold it. The workings of a heart is one of life's mysteries. In the face of a storm, spread your wings and soar off. While every time I start to drift away, my thoughts return to distant memories of you back then. And suddenly a song of love begins to echo through the dark until it lifts me up. I give myself into its melody, and with this song of love I head off searching for you.
多いと思うんで、また気をつけて帰ってください。帰るまでがお帰りですのでよろしくお願いします。ありがとうございました。
ありがとうございました。
じゃあまた6061でぜひ集まりましょう。なかなかないんでね、この R の6061で集まるっていうのがね、僕も初めてです、こんな集まるの。はい。すみません、閉めたのに喋ってまいりました。すみません。はい。ありがとうございます。
どうもありがとうございました。
気をつけて、ありがとうございます。